Have it. Shoot him, man. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. No, 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 no. Yes, yes, yes. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamers here again for another episode of GTA Online. Badman style, Jamaican style. You don't know me. I give them the dance. I give them the dance. Scooby, 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 Scooby. Yo, yo. Oh, oh, over your head. Over your head. Over your head. Look at your face and no bed. Scooby Doo. Hey, Scooby Doo. Hey, Scooby Doo. Scooby Doo. Yo, 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 yo. Anyway, people, enough of that. Please make sure you like the channel. Please to support the thing by liking. Please leave a comment down below. Make me know what you would do different. Also, make sure you like the video. If you like the video, it's quarantine time. We don't have nothing else to do. Like the video, them just press the thumbs up and like the video, please. And thanks in advance. You're welcome. Anyway, as you can see, I buy myself OPPRESSOR Mark 2. And me really like it. Me really like it. Really like it. So me I go out in the city as me do all the while and just cause havoc to the city. Stop pointing. And just cause havoc to the city and see who me can mash up and who me can be friends with. So I can see what I go on the map and switch for the people in the car. I go just kill everybody and done. Because I just feel free to kill everything. You understand? So the person I come and so I go for him. I go kill 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 him. Me not take no prisoner. No prisoner. No prisoner. In dead. My body is the same way. So I go over there with the missile and bust out him jail up on the ground. Alright, I go come after this and shoot him. Because you don't know me love shoot people. Hard. Alright, lock on him. I don't want to kill him so easy. See me? Ease up. Ease up. Ease up. What kind of camera drive? Ease up. You know what you got there now. When you know what you got there now, you just take a dead and done it now. Alright, here we go on now. Here we go on. Hello. Yo. 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 You not look. You not listen. Yo. Holy shit. Holy shit. Ciao. Yo. 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 Alright, mash up him car. Just to keep on him car. Let me see what I'm gonna do. Oi! Oi! You not wake up. Oi, wake up. So don't know people, leave a like on the video. Leave a comment. Let me know whether they're different. And just support the channel. Support JAMAICA'S Gamer. I really appreciate it. So let's go. Boost. Boost done already. Done already. Bombard it done. Nothing. Alright, cool. Go normal. Go normal. Don't know say a quarantine time. Enough people in them house on the map. I don't know what them I do. But as you can see, I wear my mask today. Because a quarantine time. Yeah, I wear my mask. Yeah. I don't want to catch COVID-19. Yeah. Oh shit, what's going on up here, sir? Alright, I go for the youth, yeah. I don't know what I do, but I go probably shoot him in the head. With a sniper. And bust out him face. With the viper. Which part am I there? Down here, sir? What am I doing in the valley? Am I moving now? Am I hide or something? Oi! You might try to shoot me. You might try to shoot me. Ooh, you might try to shoot me. You might try to shoot me. What me do in life? Me a good youth in a dog. What me do in life? Alright. Alright. You might try to shoot me with them rocket. Yeah, me not gonna make you catch me, brother. Come on for this. Sniper. But I feel like say I gonna kill me today, no boy. I am there. See him there? Go ahead. Fuck, I get her. Jump back on this. Quick. Where you try to shoot me for dog? Even though me that come shoot it anyway. Cause you beat anyway. Him just rub back here. Come on, fight. Alright, where am I? Fuck, there. try. Oh shit. Then lick him down. Boya! The plane, the jet come back in a wrong thing. You can't go in your car, I'm gonna kill you. Wrong thing, you shouldn't go in your car, I'm gonna kill you. You try to kill me first. How dare you? How double dare you, sir? Where you gone? Show yourself. Where you long you there? Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Where the jet there? Yo, I'm gonna mash up that jet here now. I don't want it for my ends, you know. Come out of this. Go ahead. Leave. 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 Come on, man. Don't make him turn around, you know, because him turn around, you're dead in the boy. Where him gone? Him a flying a dog. Who that? You know I want to kill you, brother. Come on for you, man. I jet more and kill, man. Where it gone? Yo, me nah take the bait and follow you got this. You think me an idiot to make you come kill me? Me good. You think you slick? You think, oh God. What am I doing here? What am I doing? What you tease the people? Are you one? You come tease the people them. Come out. Where? You're not getting a chance. Me don't want that dinner say no. Oh God. 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 Yeah, try to teach the people them jet and get killed. Move, boy. Are you a jet? Bright. Bright, you're right. Out of order and stink. Yo, that jet here come try kill me, you know. Now go happen. I go try. See if I can outdo that jet here. I go back down here. So, alright, I have enough police after me. 4 stars. I go try and lose them. Shit, wrong way, I go. Wrong way. Oh, leave me a chance, give me a chance, please. Give me a chance. Never mean to kill the idiot in your base. I'm sorry. Alright, go eye. Oh God. What me doing in life? Me a good youth. Stop follow me up, Virgin. Look how me a try to avoid on the police. When you can't see me and leave me alone, man. What me doing in life, man? Me a good youth. Anyway, I'm back in the city now. So make way go for the next player there now. Where am they now? I think I am killed before, you know. That boy, you know. Where am they? Me not be able to kill everything, you know. My city, I take over the city, you know. Jamaican style, you know. Where am they? Show yourself. Where am they? Yeah, last wall. See, my boy are running the dog. Oi. Not today. Move. You're not supposed to be in the city. My city this. Come out of this. Deaf? Lift up. You're deaf? Oh shit, I think they're on fire. Shit. You want some water? Take a blow up. Jump off. Jesus. Oh, Ross. Maros.
Hey.
Alright. Booyah! You have coronavirus. Don't walk side of me like that. You know here. Social distancing. I want to you. Don't do that. Sure. Because I get coronavirus even though I wear my mask. Look at my mask, people. Look at my mask. Coronavirus free. Look at that. Sure. Alright, get back my oppressor now. I'm gonna try to blow up the plane now. I want it nice city now. I'm gonna try to blow up the plane now, daddy. I'll come back over here. You know? Done him. Come on, I'm in city and go. No one in the city. Come on, I'm in city. Come out of my city, boy. You can duck and dive all you want. Hold that. Have it. 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 Shoot him, man. Kill him, kill him, kill him, kill him. No, 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 no. Yes. 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 Yo, people are pissed. People are pissed right about now. People pissed off so much. Let me leave them alone and go somewhere else, you know, cause I know them are gonna try to get back a jet and come kill me now. Yo, we feel good. We feel good. Me already the city, dog. Oi, where you go? Where you do? Where you do? Where you do? Ramp me and you dead. Ramp me up. Yeah, go down in the office. Yeah, go down in the. Alright, good idea. Good idea. Alright, ready. Next victim. You can't fly the oppressor, but you want to kill people. Come on. Get to them. Get to them. Get to them. I don't want no jet in the city, man. The jet them too dangerous. Them jet man a kill, but them not see in a bridging. Them jet man a kill, but them not see. I kill everybody else apart from somebody else. Shit. Alright, what we need to do? What we need to do? I go off a radar. Should I kill him? Should I kill him? Is he a threat to me? Should I kill him? See him there? Alright, I'm gonna leave you alone, brother. I'm gonna leave you alone. Cause me don't want you come after me, cause you're thinking bad. Oh, somebody deliver something. Somebody deliver. I go piss him on. I go kill him. I go kill him. Oh shit. Oh shit. You know which one me there? I have the radar. Me a piss off everybody in that city. Yeah, me a piss off everybody in that city, dog. People don't like me in that city right now, dog. People want to kill me. Oh God, who this? What you do? What you do, Professor? Me a come fear. Yo. Me a match up everybody in that city, dog. Think gonna come take over my city. My city this. Me have the key for this. Who this? Kill you, Otto. Nobody in that city, me no want. Me no want you in that city like that. Trouble there your foot now, man. You better cut. Trouble there on the foot. OPPRESSOR mash up the whole city. Yo, you gonna hear us. Right thing you ever do, you know. Go on in. Curfew time. Go in. Go in. Alright, me come back for you now. Cause you have to pass over there, so. Sorry, but me have to disrupt your money making move right now. Me go bad mind your thing. Alright. The man they gone in a while ago cause him know say I go dead. Me no blame you know. Cause if I'm me I go in too. Me go in, brush my teeth, wash my face, piss and go on my bed. Me leave my bed. Remember? Alright, mash up in Dolly house. Mash up in Dolly house again. Mash up Dolly house. Mash up in Dolly house. Mash up in Dolly house. You come out, you know. Shit, man. They lick him down. I can't lick him. Oh shit. Oh shit, I can't lick him down. Oh yo, come on. Oh shit, I meant to do that for a while ago. Quick. Match up in Dolly house. When they match up in Dolly house. When they don't make him leave. Match up in Dolly house. Let me press on that. Match up in Dolly house. Yo, people right now, brother. They want to kill me, dog. Oh shit, me up on the radar now. Me not a bullet. Yeah. Oh shit, man, I'll kill him now. Shit. I'm gonna snipe him. I'm gonna see if I can snipe him. Impulse. Kill him. Watch out them Dalios. Yo, cut. Quick, cut. Cut. Left the area, brother. Do the crime, do the time? No, not today. Oh shit, one plane a come. One plane a come. One plane a come. One plane a come. One plane. Oh, I'm not coming after me. Alright, I'm lucky. Alright, what else me have? Man, I'm a bullet, you know? Run out a bullet. Oh, you feel run out a bullet, dog. You idiot, you know, brother? And a sensor, what, dog? Yo, I read the whole city on the oppressor, dog. I swear. I love the oppressor. Alright. I have to start improvise on that thing, you know. Where am I? Ah, shit! Oh, God, he killed it. He'll kill me. He'll kill me because we didn't kill him before. No, he mashed up my oppressor too. Okay, alright, sir. Alright, sir, idiot. Alright, sir, idiot. Get ready just in case you fall down or so. Alright, call Morris Mutual Insurance.
Morris Mutual, how can I be of service?
What you do? What I do? What that for? What that for? What that for? What the fuck do you know? Fuck do you know? What I'm doing? What I kill me for? Yo, when I come and ramp with man, bridging like me on a ramp bridging. Me on a size bridging. You come ramp with me, dog, like me a size, idiot. Yo, give me that carrot, you know. Cuff me up, pressure, you know. Come out. Leave. Oh. Me not pay no money for get my vehicle back from the dirty cops, you know. I go for that, you know. Go for that. But pay money for get vehicle back from cops on the stink. Alright. Back at it again. With the next one again. Or pressure fully loaded again. And I start kill people again. Call me bad. Like that. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What gonna buy us? What gonna buy us? I'm gonna mash up on the dolly house. Come off my radar. I'm gonna mash up on the dolly house right now. Right now. Mash up dolly house. No, not mechanic. Idiot. Lester. Mash up dolly house right now. Shit. Man, I should have done already. I'm good dude, you know. I'm doing it in life.
If it isn't my creepy silent friend.
Lester, top line. I'm not creepy like you. Well, creepy silent friend. You're bright. Mash up dolly house. Where you do for ya? Mash up the plane now. Done him. Done him. Done him. We don't want you in the city. Not time. Leave. Let me say. Leave. 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 One more. Where am they? Where am they? Where am they? Show your dirty self. Leave. Deaf. Leave, man. Come out of the city. We don't want you in the city, Virgin. Done him. Leave. Leave. Look for me, I tell you to leave. Leave. How long you think you'll get there from me for? Where there? Where am there? Come out of the city. Boy, dodge him with that. Boy, dodge him. You do your thing, man. You do your thing. You do your thing. But you go dead same way. Where am there? Why him can't dead? My defense. Oh shit, not a bullet. Oh god, oh god. Oh god. Alright, I go land. I go down so. I'm gonna blow up your thing then. What's you want it? Oh shit. Hey. Dodge them. Dodge them. Dodge them. Dodgy bullet them. Dodgy bullet them. Dodgy bullet them. Dodgy bullet them. Dodgy. Yeah, I left the area, you know, cause right now me can't shoot him down. I mean, I have no bullet. So So here, I've been wrecking the city. I've been doing what I do. And I love it. I love it. People, please leave a like on the video. Please subscribe to the channel. Also, leave your comment down below and let me know what you think. If I should keep doing these type of videos or do something else, play a different game, let me know so I can do it Jamaican yardie style. You know the thing. Boxer shot me rear and no bingo. Don't eat a laugh there. Nah, that talk there. Alright, let's go. Oi, you know you should self-distancing. What you do? Self-distancing. What you do? Get up. Don't walk beside me, man. I don't want to kill you. Self-distancing. That's why I wear my mask. I'm here. Alright, people. Back again with a new oppressor. The next one run out of bullets. So we blow it up and start again. So here we go. Where the person that try to kill me a while ago. Watch me look at nastiness. Watch me look at nastiness. You know that, so? I got mush up in views and I want build him wicked and thump him in the back. I got thump him in the back. Where there? Thump in your back.
Got him! Got him!
Thump in your back. Thump in your back. Self-distancing. Don't walk beside me like that, man. Go around there, man, and move for myself. Sure. Self-distancing. Now what you do? Don't get bright. Watch your mouth. What them do that, man? What them put that? Look at. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Oh, okay. I'm okay. Oh, yeah.
No! No!
Oh, God. What you do? You idiot. You have sense? Eh? You have sense? You have sense? Oh, I have sense. Go down here and idiot. Come over there. Move that way. Idiot. You have sense. What you want to do? Sure. Alright, go for it. Jump in the helicopter and go for my thing. What am do? What am do to me oppressor? I trust him now. Don't trust the little junker. What am there? I'm doing so in pause. Alright, in pause. In pause, in there. I'm gonna put a sticky bump on him back. I'm gonna put a sticky bump on him back. In pause, see me now. Quick. Go on, little man. Just sticky bump on him back. Oh shit, him come back. Move. Oh fuck. Him not look, you know. Him not look. Sticky bump on him back. Watch him out. Don't get rude, boy. Watch him out. Don't get rude. Watch him out. Watch your back, fool. Okay, alright. He not come back. Alright. Kill him, man. Kill him. Cause him not come back. Kill him. Alright, I just catch up back with the plane him now. When I couldn't kill a while ago. They might look for me on the radar. Watch him out. I know in a city. It's supposed to be inside, not outside. Hello? You know dead? It's supposed to be inside, not outside. It's supposed to be inside, not outside. Inside, not outside. Why don't it take so long to blow up? Who in man? I want to the plane now. It's tough, sir. Who in man? Thank you. Stay inside and save a life. If you come outside, me kill you. Death. See ya? See drunk, yeah? Stay inside and save life. Come outside, me kill you. You might look for me now. What am I do? Oi, stay inside. Oh shit. So guys, thank you for watching another episode of GTA Online Jamaican Yardie Style, when I tell them people to stay inside and save a life. So if you like the video, please leave a like on the video. Please also subscribe to the channel if you're new. And please also leave a comment down below to let me know what you think about it and stuff like that. You understand? If you have any ideas what you want me to do, if you have any game where you want me to play, please also let me know, and I will go outside and buy them. Not literally, but yeah, I will buy them and play them to the best of my ability, obviously, because I'm Jamaica's gamer. So until next time, people, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.